ओम नमः शिवाय. परम पूजनीय Gurudev ji, Rashtra Rishi Shri Lahidi Guruji reveals to us the spiritual essence of the 8th day of Navratri, that is Ashtami, as follows. On this 8th day, Ashtami, of auspicious occasion of Chaitra Navratri, we engage in sadhana and worship of Ma Mahagauri, avatar of Divine Mother. Ma Mahagauri is the manifestation of spiritual tattva of tapasya to attain divinity within ourselves and holistic empowerment and enlightenment of all. Let us understand the fundamental essence of tapasya or tap. Param Pujniya Rashtra Rishi Shri Lahidi Gurudev ji tells us that when a Hindu tattva sadhak transcends his selfishness, swarth, that is mindset of what will I get or what will be my benefit. When a Hindu tattva sadhak transcends his self-created self-destructive fear, that is Swanirmit Atmaghati Bhay, self-created worry about whether I will get harmed physically or economically, even though my fellow Hindu is suffering. When a Hindu Tattva Sadhak transcends his ego, I-ness, that is mindset centered around I, me, mine. And thus when the Hindu Tattva Sadhak with absolute selflessness, fearlessness and egolessness implements Hindutva Mahasadhana for the sake of Hindutva, then it is called Tapasya or Tap. As manifestation of sadhana and worship of Ma Mahagauri, let us all take sankalp, that is spiritual resolve, that we all dedicate our entire life to Hindutva Mahasadhana for sake of Hindutva. For this we will become holistically empowered, socially, economically, politically, spiritually, culturally, strategically, scientifically and technologically, physically and intellectually, that is empowered in all dimensions. At the same time, we will ensure that we all utilize our empowerment not for sake of our ego or selfishness or for exploitation of our Hindu brothers and sisters. Rather, we will selflessly, fearlessly, egolessly dedicate all our empowerment and resources in Hindutva Mahasadhana. On today's auspicious occasion of Ashtami, let us take resolve as children of Ma Mahagauri of being absolutely united and one, that is Ekatma, with each and every Hindu. Let us realize that pain and suffering of each Hindu is our own pain, and each Hindu's accomplishment and advancement is our own accomplishment and advancement. This oneness is further manifested in every Hindu trying his level best to share his empowerment with the entire Hindu society. Thus, we dedicate our lives in sadhana of holistic empowerment of entire Hindu society, especially the socially and economically backward sections of Hindu society. Let us pledge to Ma Mahagauri that we will take entire Hindu society beyond all kinds of divisions and discriminations, be it on the basis of caste, language, region, political factionalism, economic status, ego, selfishness, etc. And we will dedicate our lives to make entire Hindu society absolutely united, egalitarian and holistically empowered. Jai Jai Hindu Sanskriti. Om Namah Shivaya.